So, Leah and I have decided that we are going to play the Blindfolded Cat Freeze game. And if you don't know what that is, it is basically a game where you blindfold yourself and you try and draw a cat on the other person's face. And we're bored, and so we're going to do it. So, put your blindfold on, woman.
Blurry your eyes and whatever else.
Here's your eyeliner pencil. Right there. Okay. I'm scared. Yes, that's my face.
Shut up! You make this so hard.
It's my nose. You almost stabbed me in the eye.
Sorry!
Oh, goodness.
What's that called? The body?
Those are my lips, thank you very much. No.
The tail.
You already did the tail. Now it's got two tails. Are you done?
I think so.
Okay, take your blindfold off. Take your
Oh.
blindfold off.
Oh my!
This is my. Okay, so explain what everything is now. You have to
I
explain.
don't think I can.
Just do it.
Okay, that's the body, right? Oh, what is that? Okay. Okay, so these are the eyes, and that's the nose and the mouth, and these are whiskers, and that's it. It's a double-tailed cat, and its name is Fufu.
Fufu?
Yes.
It's beautiful, twin. It's beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, so now we have to take the blindfold off because it's my turn now. You could have undone it, stupid.
I feel like it.
Okay, so hold on. Turn and look at me.
I can't take you seriously.
Oh god, I can't see anything. Okay. That's not the pencil. Where is it? Do I have it? What? Hold on. Wait. Okay. Face. It's not amazing. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Okay. Okay, ready? Wait.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's your face? That's not your.
This is very awkward.
Is the camera on you?
Yes, you are fondling me on the camera. And now you're about to break my face on the camera. I'm so scared. I am closing my eyes. I am just. I'm going to pee myself.
Bring your face over here, because I can't.
Bring your face. Okay.
Shut up.
Oh my gosh.
This is gonna end over.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is not going to end well. What the fuck is that? Is that supposed to be a head?
I
Oh
think
my,
so.
I thought it was a tail.
This is...
Oh, let's not make it go into my hairline, please. I'm gonna die.
Okay.
Oh no.
Do I want to look?
It's like a rabbit. Yeah, it's pretty legit.
It's a very sexy cat.
It's a discombobulated tailed cat. Like,
that's its face.
looks like
Those
Chinese
are its
looking
eyes. I'm guessing it lost an ear because there was supposed to be another ear over here, but it's not there. And then that's its nose and its mouth, and that's its body, and those are its legs. And then that's its tail. Right there.
That doesn't attach to the body. Great. Just like there's holes and
So,
yeah.
I think Leah won. This looks more like a cat. I smudged the tail. Wait. I can't. I don't get this. Okay, I smudged the tail. That didn't work out too well.
At least it has like. You're like a pirate.
I am a pirate.
Yo ho ho in a bottle of rum.
Yo ho ho in a bottle of rum. Okay, so I think we're done, and I think Leah won the blindfolded cat face game.
I feel
Oh,
sad.
you can't even see my hand waving.
I lost 100 IQ.
100 I points.
Yes, I lost 100. I lost
You lost
100
IQ playing this game with me,
Yes.
twin.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna go order my
Would you?
distortion pillow.
Okay, we're